expressing concerns clearly, navigating conversations in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in the English language: voice concerns about. Understanding this phrase can greatly improve your communication skills, especially in formal or professional settings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples together. Stay tuned to boost your English proficiency. Voice concerns about is a phrase that combines three key elements. Voice, to express or articulate something verbally. Concerns, worries, doubts, or issues that one might have. About, referring to the subject or matter at hand. When put together, to voice concerns about something means to express your worries or issues regarding a specific topic or situation. It's a respectful and assertive way to bring up problems without being confrontational. Using voice concerns about is particularly common in professional, educational, and formal settings. It's a way to address issues while maintaining a level of respect and decorum. Examples. 1. In a workplace meeting, I'd like to voice my concerns about the current project timeline. It seems a bit unrealistic. 2. During a parent-teacher conference, we have some concerns about our child's progress in math that we'd like to voice. 3. In a community town hall, many residents want to voice their concerns about the new construction project. Remember, the phrase is used to initiate a discussion about a problem, with the aim of finding a solution or reaching a better understanding. While knowing the phrase is important, it's also crucial to use it effectively. Here are some tips. Be specific. Clearly identify what your concerns are about. Stay constructive. Focus on finding solutions rather than just complaining. Practice empathy. Understand the situation from others' perspectives as well. Keep it respectful. Voice your concerns without undermining or disrespecting others. And that wraps up our exploration of voice concerns about. We hope this video helps you communicate your worries and issues more clearly and effectively in English. Remember, voicing concerns is not just about speaking up. It's about fostering understanding and seeking positive outcomes. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!